Next, let's see one of the most powerful functionalities of Power User. When you have a presentation with a lot of data, keeping the presentation up to date can be very painful. Every time there is a change in the underlying data or hypothesis, you have to select each chart and table and delete it, go to Excel, update the values, copy the object, go back to PowerPoint, paste it, then resize and reposition it on the slide. Instead of wasting hours updating your reports manually like this, you can use Power User to link your Excel and your PowerPoint. Copy a chart or table from Excel, paste it in PowerPoint, and you will see a link button appear. Power User automatically detects that you have pasted content from Excel and suggests you create a link. Just click this button, and now this chart is linked with Excel. If I change some values in Excel, the chart will update in PowerPoint automatically. If you have a lot of charts and tables like this, it can save you many hours. Now, charts and tables are great, but you probably have also data in comments or slide titles. You don't want to manually update the values in these comments every time, as this is something that could likely result in manual errors. So what you can do is right-click inside your text, and you will see that in the right-click menu, there is an option at the bottom to insert a link to an Excel cell. I can reference any cell from my spreadsheet, and now my sentence includes a variable linked to the value of this cell. To manage your links, click this button visible on each linked object. It opens the Link Manager. Here I can see all the links in my presentation. I can see on which slide it is. I can also see where the Excel source for the data is located. I can click this Target button to go to the source. I also see when the last update was made, and I could break links if needed. My presentation has 19 links. I could update them one by one, but let's update them all from here. And done! Now, what happens if you rename or move your files? You might expect the links to break, right? Well, in fact, Power User's link won't break if you rename, move, or email your files. You'll just need to reopen the Excel, click Update, and the link will be reestablished. This way, you can manage multiple versions of your files. Just open the version of the Excel file you want to update with, click Update, and the two files will be connected. This functionality is exceptionally powerful for teams working in finance or preparing reports frequently. Once the links are created, a single click to update can really save you hours.